Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do really appreciate it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment if you like the video. And if you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family here. But as you can see from the description down below, we do have a new subscription to open today. This is the JewlyBox. This, I am excited. This was very kindly sent to me for a review and to share with you guys. And I have some exciting news. For those of you that are familiar with JewlyBox, you may know that they went to quarterly instead of monthly. Well, they have now gone back to monthly. And I'm going to read you some information here. And it is that basically they did this because they had so many customers saying that they wanted the monthly box back as opposed to the quarterly, and they have kind of relaunched. It is $19.99 a month, and they have decided that now everyone will receive the same 3 items every month. So let's see. I will be putting down a coupon code below. It is Nikki. It's my name. N-I-C-K-I. I will, like I said, make sure to put that down below. That coupon will get you 50% off your first month, so you will only pay $9.99 plus shipping. And I will make sure to put the link to their website down below as well. And we are going to dive in here. I'm really excited. Like I said, so it has now come back to the monthly subscription. Everyone will receive the same products every month. And with that coupon code, your first month will only be $10 plus shipping. You can't beat that for 3 great pieces of jewelry. So we are going to dive in and see what November is all about. Oh, it's inside a really cute little bag in here. Oh, that shows me what's in here. Sorry, bumped the camera. It says, we believe jewelry is the perfect accessory for an endless supply of changing confidence. Through empowering women with confidence, we are changing women's lives one piece of jewelry at a time. Our mission is centered around empowering women. We name each one of our pieces after our customers and influential women. Make sure to scan the QR code below on your mobile device to unlock special extras. So that was the back of the card. And here we have a very, very pretty lady. So I do want to look here. It says, welcome to your November JewlyBox. As fall is now in full effect, we wanted to give you the perfect accessories to make your outfits pop. We hope you love this month's silver collection, and don't forget to share your looks with the hashtag JewlyBox. And then it tells a little bit about each, so I'm not going to peek too much. But how cute, you guys. It's a cute little bag with a pretty pink bow or ribbon. So we are going to open this and see what we got in here. So each piece is in an individual bag. Oh, it looks like we got a bonus piece because I have 4 pieces. Okay, so we are going to start with, this looks like a beautiful looking pair of earrings, but like I said, each piece is in a little bag like this. So, oh, these are pretty. All right, let's see. So this is what they look like. They are very, very pretty. Can I get a little bit closer here for you? So pretty. They're like the druzy style. So pretty. I really like those, and they actually will come in handy. I can wear those tomorrow. We are having family portraits done, and we're all wearing like dark wash jeans and black tops. Those would be perfect. And let's see, we have a bracelet. This looks super cute, y'all. Oh, I love this. It's like, can you see? It's like little, it's like knots. You can see. It is so cute. I love stuff like this. It's simple, but it is so pretty. I love that. Love, love, love it. And then, oh, this is right up my alley, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so beautiful. So it's a long, which I love wearing the longer necklaces. It's a long necklace with the silver tassel. How beautiful is that? Y'all, that is so gorgeous. It does seem to have a little bit of like a two-tone here, and then, whoop, get back around, the silver tassel. So beautiful. I love that. And then our final product, which seems to be a little, I think maybe an extra item, because I only knew of 3, but I'm actually really excited these are in here, because it is another pair of earrings, and they're little dangly earrings, which I love, and they're the same shape as the necklace. How cute is that? I love it. You guys, this is amazing. This box is awesome. So I'm going to tell you really quickly about each item. This bracelet is called the Anna Cuff. This simple yet elegant cuff is adjustable, so it is able to fit all body types. We love how elegant and timeless this style is, and the ability to wear it with anything. And it says, a style tip, wear her layered with a chunky gold watch for the ultimate look. And then the Savannah earrings. Be the envy of all your friends this fall with these slate gray stud earrings. We believe an outfit is only complete with a subtle but bold statement, and these earrings do just that. Style tip, perfect for big chunky sweaters, skinny jeans, and boots. So it says it's slate gray, which, yeah, it does, I guess. It kind of looks more black, but in person, it does look a little, like, not quite black. And then the Tory necklace. We know the holidays are just around the corner, and you'll need the perfect statement piece to wear to all your family events. Style tip, best suited with tees and classic outfits to add the perfect flair. We hope you love your new looks, and when everyone asks you where you got your gorgeous pieces over the holidays, you'll know just what to say. So this was the card. So the earrings that are the same shape as the necklace were not on here. So that was a nice surprise. So this was November 2018 JewlyBox. Like I said, I will put a link to their website down below. They are $19.99 a month. And if you use for your first order the coupon code my name, which is Nikki, and like I said, I'll make sure to put that down as well, you will get your first month for only $9.99 plus shipping. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Thank you.